Here is our 1954 Coral Blush Eljer Duplex toilet. The toilet was purchased in May for $39. It's actually worth hundreds of dollars, and installed later that month. We're now into July, and I can truthfully say that this is a great performer. I rebuilt the tank and used an original Eljer handle that I took off another tank. We tried to match the seat as best we could, but there was no color to match Eljer's Coral Blush. So we picked a color that corresponds to American standards, coralline. Despite the fact that this toilet is 65 years old, it's in nearly mint condition. There were no scratches, chips, or blemishes on it at all, and there were no calcium deposits in the bowl. I fully expected to have to give it a muriatic soak, but it turned out that I did not. These bolt caps were white, but we spray painted them pink so that they better match. We'll never be able to match this color, so we got as close as we could get. The tank had a foam liner in it, which I removed. Other than that, the tank didn't require much cleaning. I bought an Eljer tank-to-bowl set, which includes the gasket and an Aristocrat tank ball, which is the proper tank ball for this sort of a tank. And I added a new fill valve. And I use these here instead of the Fluid Masters because these are easier to take apart and drain out when I winterize. And here's the interior of the bowl. You can see it's in almost mint condition. It has the L-Vortex jet and the typical Eljer flush. Now here comes the part you all have been waiting for. Perfect. And now for the paper test. All gone. And for comparison, I'll do a paper test on the green Sylenta. And that also did a great job. And I'll conclude with one more flush of the Eljer Coral Blush Duplex toilet. Thank you for watching.